Welcome, this is Vijay Kumar from Car Care. We are located in Sembakam, Chennai. We do car detailing and car accessories and car audios over here. We have a parking space which can accommodate 10 to 12 cars over here. Today we are installing damping and Pioneer component and Pioneer mid-range and Grand i10 car, where component is fitted in the original provision and mid-range is fitted in an A-pillar with customized fiberglass molding. We are using damping sheets to avoid road noises and vibrations from the speakers, which gives you a normal speaker sounds like a premium speakers. It controls the road noise and vibrations of the car. We are using Pioneer damping sheet because it looks premium and it gives a good adhesive property as well. So we are using Pioneer damping sheets. And we are using Pioneer 3.5-inch two-way speakers in the pillar, which can be fitted in pillars and for rear fill in some cars. It can be used for many cars with fiberglass molding. Today we have done fiberglass molding for a 3.5-inch mid-range speakers. 3.5-inch mid-range speaker can be used for fabricating A-pillars, subwoofers and third row rear fill speakers for big cars.